Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable auto-download files on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to disable auto-download files on Skype is important for preserving your device storage space and ensuring the security of your device. By turning off this feature, you have more control over which files are downloaded to your device, reducing the risk of downloading malicious content. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly enter to the Skype app on your device. Well, so here tap on profile icon and then select settings option here. Okay, so now choose messaging menu and then look for auto download files. Tap on it. So lastly, select never option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable auto-download files on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.